Avi, bro.
Wait, is this for me too, or do I have to go customize it?
I think it's for both. I never played co-op,
Oh,
but yeah, I think it's for both of us. If it's not, it doesn't matter. You know, small problem. Small problem. This gotta be magma. And favorite part, you buy one mod, can use it for any gun that has it. It's like you buy one magma, all your guns can have magma. Back. Now press start. Go to weapons. Yep, you got the same mods as me.
oh, coolio.
Coolio and the Dulio, bro. Leo. Wait, what? Why can't? No way. You're using the pistols? I can't use the pistols. I can only use guns that you're not using.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, try and use the.
Look, I can't use that.
Huh.
I don't have a problem with that. For some reason, I like that.
That kind of makes the game kind of harder.
It's cool. That way. If there's like one gun that's effective, it's not like. Humor. Yeah, that really adds like. I want to say depth, even though it doesn't that much, but I like it.
Boom, 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 boom.
Shotgun, actually good in the recent Into the Nexus game. Fucking can't break those pieces. Oh god, Leviathan.
I love sideways flipping in this game. This is just ridiculous.
I died, so could you survive for like 2 more seconds? Yeah,
Yes.
thanks.
I did. Hey.
Oh wow, you did. Holy
Yeah,
crap.
it, like I died as soon as it hit 0, and you respawn.
Nice music. Sounds like James Bond. Da-na-na. Da-na-na. You know what I'm talking about? Like some creepy James Bond.
Just like, look at the way Ratchet like flips. It's weird.
I love it. It's super slow. It like gives you time to think. Like, okay, flip. Wait, do I need to slingshot these?
You might need to.
No.
Nope. You need to shoot them.
Well, I can't. Like, it only attaches.
Whoa.
What?
That's a thing that can happen.
Yeah, I just shot magma because there's a magma mod. Now I got the shotgun. Okay, where do we go? Oh, around here. Wow. If left doesn't work, you should probably try right. Video games, am I right?
What is this?
That's health, but you're full health, so it won't be consumed. What is the Lombax doing? He's doing nothing. He's just getting ammo. Boy, aren't we so unfreaking... Oh, we needed to kill those enemies, and now I think we can use these.
Oh.
I think I just got an email.
Shoot. I think I got an email. I like shmemail.
What? Oh, we can't both use the swing shot. Well, it's right here. What is it? Does it want us to...
Wait, does Clank have a Ratchet too? Or a wrench too?
Yeah, fucking stupid.
Wrench battle.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
It like, every time we hit each other, it just sparks. That's funny.
Well, this game actually did have PvP, man. Online mode, man.
Okay, let's actually find out what to do.
I have no idea.
You know, sometimes I think I should have taken that job on Annihilation Nation. They've got a great dental plan.
Do you remember Annihilation Nation?
Yeah.
That was in the other game. Yeah, it's a fun game.
References to each.
Oh my god.
What? Oh. Do I have to do that too?
No, you can't do it. Only I can do it. You have to keep me alive, though.
Okay.
That was dumb, and let's never do that again. That's why I like the robots, because they know shit like this. I'm not gonna being a robot, yo, okay? Don't judge. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Shout out to Acid Shotgun.
Acid shotgun. Wait,
Dude.
what's the one that shoots magma?
That's the...
Mine
Well, there's
launcher?
actually two of them. There's the launcher, and there's also the...
Oh, I have no ammo.
There's the obliterator and the mine launcher. Wow, you really do have no ammo.
Oh, goody, the swamp is up next.
Let's see how long that took.
Love this part.
Almost took 6 minutes. I'm gonna eat a donut. That sucks.
Way to suck, me.
Come on, man. It's fucking right there, man. What are you doing, man? Oh, this is gonna be a great hovercraft landing place area.
Wait, are we on the hovercraft?
Not right now, no. We have to locate the puma.
Locate the puma. Get the puma. Eat the puma. Get all of the puma. 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 Wait,
What?
can you save?
Yeah.
There's an autosave. Oh. That's a ridiculous place for it to save.
You're a ridiculous place for us to save. Come on, man. I fucking love this game. Eat dicks.
Rather not.
Leviathans are fucking powerful as dicks, yo.
Nice.
Oh god, I got an EMP it. Get out of the way, bro. Yeah, EMP. EMP, 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 EMP.
Did you EMP it?
No, I need to. I still need to. I
Ah,
still need to.
I just blew myself up. I think.
God damn it. Cut! Yo, 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 I'm outie, bitch. Oh, crap. I tried using my hack ray on him. Can't hack them levies, yo. Yeah, no. Oh, shit. Just fucking nuked one guy. Got him. Go, go. I really like how the mods add like some depth to it. How you can get like damage over time and shit like that. Keep me alive, yo. Man, these donuts are really good. Almost as good as getting hurt by enemies. I swear to God, if you kill me with a wrench somehow.
Oh, God.
Wow. Wow. Come on, man.
Did you feel that, Juanita?
Fuck yeah.
Why didn't you name a robot something in Spanish?
I don't know, but it adds so much hilarity to the game.
I don't even think that's Spanish.
That is.
Really?
Yeah, she's gonna talk about Spanish culture. Not like itself, but she's gonna say something that reminds me of Spanish. I don't know what, but she is definitely Spanish.
Spanish bot.
Well, you're right next to him. Are you... God damn it. I jumped in the air and I thought shoot was square, so I just plummeted to the depth of hell. Oh god. Good spawn game. I'm getting over there, Ratchet. I'm not fucking Superman, yo.
Oh god,
I'm
the
on it,
barricades
I'm on
fall
it.
off.
This D-pad sucks balls, yo.
Gang.
I really like how you can be a thug and have 2 pistols at once. Really adds a lot of great cutscenes to the game. Especially when you cock it sideways and shoot Ronninga in the face hole. Now I gotta do the other one. One of the reasons why I totally forgot about these is because the robots automatically do it. Yeah, so it's a cool feature how it's like you're supposed to save the robots when you're in co-op and you have no idea what shit's going on.
You've located the Puma.
Yeah.
Do you want to play the Puma level or?
Dude, I'll fucking play every level.